Are you in need of auto repair, or do you just want to make sure your car is running right? Then turn to a technician, Gabriel Auto Technician in Laguna Heights. Turn to Gabriel for complete auto repairs and full service maintenance. They are
A well-maintained vehicle is a must.
Diagnostic. They will service your heating and AC, gas bills, packing bills, brakes, including ABS, oil changes, and tune-ups. Gabriel Auto Technician is 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights.
Don't put your family and others at risk.
Gabriel Auto Technician. Gabriel Auto Technician in Laguna Heights.
Here at Gabriel Auto Technician, I can help you to keep your automobile at its optimal performance. We can troubleshoot and fix all kind of problems, on all kinds of automobiles. We have the time, the knowledge, and the tools to give you an accurate diagnostic. No guessing work here. Did you ever ask the mechanic what is the function and why did he replace those parts he put on your vehicle? Did you ever ask the mechanic why is charging you for parts and labor, but the vehicle still doing the same or worse performance? It is better to troubleshoot and finds the root of the problem, instead of just change expensive good parts. Here at Gabriel Auto Technician, if we can't fix your vehicle, you pay nothing. That is our policy, but we always fix the automobiles right. We at Gabriel Auto Technician never replace good parts, only that it needs to be replaced. We take care of our customers, and we always save their money. Not only that, but we at Gabriel Auto Technician only install the best quality on parts and materials. We never make our customers come back for the same problem. We always do the jobs the way supposed to be done or better. Furthermore, we at Gabriel Auto Technician appreciate that you let us serve you. In return, we offer you the best in automotive repair. A quality service that you will not find anywhere else. Gabriel Auto Technician, your friendly expert automobile repair technician with more than 30 years of working in the auto repair field. We always do our best to serve you better and fix your car properly. Gabriel Auto Technician. 956-346-3484. 413 East Ocean Boulevard, Port Isabel, Texas.
Gabriel Auto Technician in Laguna Heights.